Hello everybody. Today we're going to be cooking some fried rice and it's going to be really tasty and I'll show you how. Okay everybody, so this is cold rice, as you can see. It's leftover from yesterday, or you can cook it the night before or a few hours before. It has to be refrigerated and it has to be cold. And see how loose it is? It's nice and loose. You can't make rice and then use the rice that's already warm. It's got to be cold and it's got to be preferably overnight so it could be loose like this. So we're going to use oyster sauce. We're going to use black pepper. We're going to use sesame seed oil, black pepper, allspice, and soy sauce. 4 eggs. We have ginger here. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can always buy this right here at the store, which is the same thing, and use about a tablespoon of this. Green onion, your veggies. Today we're gonna mix it with kind of like a chicken and shrimp. So those will be the ingredients. Okay, so right here I have 2 of these. And what I did is I open them up, put them in here, put a little bit of water just to start it off, and a half a tablespoon of salt. And this is what you get. You get this paste. So what you do is you put the paste on the chicken, and this is about a tablespoon and a half that I'm putting. And anyway, so you put this in here and you make it into the paste, you know, right in the NutriBullet. And that's how you get this paste. You can use this for any kind of meats that you like. So once you put it in your meat, you massage the meat, and along with the black pepper, and then you're going to put a little bit of soy sauce, which is about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you massage it. So I'm going to get my gloves and I'll show you how. Put a little bit of salt, not too much. So this is your garlic paste, and what you want to do is just massage the whole thing. Make sure everything is mixed so that everything has flavor. And then just let it sit. So let it marinate for just a little bit. Now we come to the shrimp over here. Now what I have is hot water, and I'm gonna put this hot water right here. You see how it's gray? As soon as it turns into pink, that's all I'm gonna do. Just leave it for about 2 minutes, or actually like a minute, and then we're gonna strain the water. Okay everybody, so this is gonna be the secret of the taste of this is what's going to make it so flavorful that you're going to love it. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of garlic, about 2 tablespoons of green onion, about 2 tablespoons of ginger, and oil. So the oil we're going to fry it by itself. Once we mince all this to the same parts and put it all in one container, then the oil, we'll bring it in here and infuse the oil, and that's going to give you all that flavor, and I'll show you how to use it. Okay everybody, we have everything chopped up in equal parts just about, which is about 2 tablespoons of each thing. Show you, but we're gonna fry our our oil, and then bring it in here to infuse the oil. So once it gets really hot, then we're just gonna put that in here to infuse the oil. Okay, as you can see, the oil is smoking. that's your indication that the oil is ready. So all you do is get it in there, and that's what you're supposed to see. It's pretty much cooking as you put it in there, and that's your infused oil right there. And I'll just let it sit there and get flavorful before I start cooking my fried rice. Okay, so you see our shrimp is nice and clean and plump. That's what you want, plump. And right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook my chicken first. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here. And it already smells great. So while this is cooking, my veggies, I put them in there just to soften it up because they're a little hard, especially the carrot. Okay, so our chicken is ready. We're gonna set it aside. Okay, and then we'll go to the next thing. Our vegetables are ready. So we'll have those ready. All right, so we're using about 3 tablespoons, maybe 4. Fry a little bit, because what you want is those aromas, those beautiful aromas. And as soon as this is done, which is really quick, as you can see, when you get it almost brown, then it's ready. Put it right here with the chicken, you know. And I'll just set it right there. So now we're just we're gonna fry the eggs. So let that warm up. Just break them down. I have 4 eggs, but you can put 2 if you want. So just scramble them up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper and just a little bit of salt, not a lot. So just remember, you want to season everything. You want everything to have flavor. So I added pepper and salt, and that's to taste. You don't want it too salty, don't add it. You don't like pepper, don't add it. This is just flavor. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my veggies. Let them get nice and fried. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. Get that flavor in there. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. So now remember here, I have the garlic and with the chicken. And then so we got garlic, the garlic chicken with ginger and the shrimp. And now we're gonna add our rice. So we put our rice in there, right? Then just mix all that in. Look at how beautiful that looks already. So just keep mixing. Now you want to add our egg because you want all the flavors to get into everything. Right? So at this time, I put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And just some squirts of the sesame oil. Not a whole lot because it's very powerful. Now you have Old Spice. And you just add just a little bit, not a lot. just barely see it, you can barely taste it. And then a little bit of the oyster sauce, about a tablespoon. And that's it right there. All you do now is mix, and fry. And the very last step, you put your green onion. You see that? And that is it. That is the last step. Your green onion, you don't want your green onion to overcook. You want it to taste fresh and crunchy when you're taking bites. And that is it. And now for the best part, the taste. Look at this. The rice is just like separated. It's got full of flavor. The shrimp is nice and plump. Delicious. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments, hit me down below, and appreciate you. Have a great day.